I'm a real estate agent in Colorado Springs showing you what it looks like to live here. Wolf Ranch is one of the most sought-after master plan communities in Academy School District 20, known for its family-friendly atmosphere. It offers amenities such as parks, trails, a community center, a rec center with a swimming pool, and a lake. They host tons of activities and events throughout the year. The neighborhood is designed with a variety of housing styles and is close to schools, shopping areas, and services. The median home price in Wolf Ranch is $615,000.